Welcome to my channel. In this video we're making tsunga or mustard spinach in a peanut butter sauce. Stay tuned. This is one of my favorite leafy greens. It has a slightly bitter, peppery taste to it, and this is complemented really well with the nutty creaminess of peanut butter. I don't mind having tomato skins or chunks of tomato in my food, but if you want a smoother texture, you can blend or grate your tomatoes. Usually in Zimbabwe, we will cut our greens in little ribbons, and so this is how you achieve it by layering your leaves with the largest one at the back and then just chopping across. My 11-month-old son really loves this dish, and in order to make these ribbons okay for him to eat, I usually just cut them up with my kitchen scissors in a bowl after everything is cooked and ready to serve. If your tomatoes have dried out through the cooking process, you can add a little bit of water so that they don't stick to the bottom. If your vegetables are nice and fresh, then some of the water from them will start to release and help to steam them, especially from the stalks. I prefer to make my peanut butter sauce in the pot. This helps me to gauge better how much or how little I want to add. Alternatively, you can make the paste in a bowl on the side with just your peanut butter and some hot water. We want to make sure we're cooking on low heat so that our peanut butter does not form a crust at the bottom and burn. And that's how you make the authentic, no frills Zimbabwean style Tsunga dovi, which is mustard spinach in peanut butter sauce. I do sometimes add a few extras in, and to find out how I do this, I invite you to subscribe and look out for more videos of Zimbabwean and Zimbabwean inspired dishes. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one.